Passive income streams have become a popular alternative for many people to supplement their income. Nowadays, you may make a good living working from home with online passive income ideas. In this tutorial, we will look at the top 10 passive income professions that you can do from home and how to turn each one of them into a consistent stream of passive income. Number 10. Blogging. Making passive money through blogging is becoming increasingly popular. It is really convenient and you may work from anywhere, including your own house. Over 77% of internet users read blogs on a regular basis. As more people explore new methods to make money, blogging is becoming a popular choice. All you need is a good internet connection, a laptop or PC, and some great content to share with the rest of the world. You can increase your following, monetize your blog, and start generating passive income with the proper niche and outstanding content. Creating and maintaining a successful blog from the comfort of your own home involves time, effort, skill, and consistency. To begin, you must devote a significant amount of time to creating, editing, and publishing content. Creating your own website also takes a significant amount of time. However, by taking the proper steps, you can considerably reduce that time. Your blog can start earning your passive cash if you use the appropriate monetization technique. Number 9. E-commerce. Participating in e-commerce has become a very popular method of earning passive income. In the majority of cases, you will never need to leave your house. There are numerous popular online marketplaces that can assist you in increasing your passive income, such as eBay and Amazon, among others. Dropshipping is one of the methods of selling products that you do not physically stock and allowing a third-party warehouse to handle all of the shipping and packing for you. You can also sell items that you have lying around your house, but this is less passive than selling items that you buy. E-commerce can help you generate consistent income, and if you are good at it, you can make a significant amount of money. Number 8. Creating knowledge bases. You can create knowledge bases for businesses without ever leaving the comfort of your own home or office. Knowing how to use a knowledge base is extremely important for any web-based application because they provide customer support around the clock. According to the results of a recent survey, 67% of online consumers use self-service support. It is possible to generate high-quality income by developing knowledge bases for businesses. It is true that this is a form of active income, but you can outsource a significant portion of the work, making it significantly more passive. Number 7. Creating niche sites. Creating a niche site can enable you to earn a substantial amount of passive money without ever leaving your house. To make passive income with a specialized site in 24 months, you must be willing to put in the first hard effort. You can earn $1,000 per month by running a specialty site if you set up your niche site appropriately and follow their established and proven tactics. Because specialized sites appeal to a specific audience, creating a site that concentrates on something that interests you will increase your chances of success. With a growing audience, you may monetize your blog and create passive revenue by using adverts, affiliate marketing, selling merchandise, offering courses, email marketing, selling ebooks, and other methods. With time and a handful of successful specialty sites under your belt, you can generate thousands of dollars in passive revenue per month. Number 6. Selling stock photos and videos. In the event that you're looking for a way to make some extra money and you happen to have a few high-quality photos and videos lying around, you have arrived at the right place. Even if you don't think your photos or videos are worth anything, someone else might be willing to pay a lot of money for them. True or false? It is possible to generate passive income by selling stock photos and videos. Selling stock photos or videos can provide you with a passive source of income. There are people who have turned their stock photos and videos into a primary source of income, earning a recurring monthly income from their work, and you can do the same. The photos or videos that some people post on various stock platforms earn them hundreds of dollars every month, for which they are grateful. It is possible to upload your work to multiple sites and reach an even larger audience if the platform you're using does not explicitly state that they have exclusive rights to sell your photos. So, if you enjoy taking photos or having a large number of them lying around, you can turn them into cash by following the straightforward steps outlined below. Despite the fact that some people earn $500 per month, it can take years to accumulate such a sum. So we set the bar lower at $100 per month, taking into account the fact that a complete beginner could make $100 per month by selling a couple of photos on multiple platforms each month. All you need are some high-quality images and videos. There are numerous websites where you must sell your stock images and movies. Shutterstock and Alarmy are two popular stock photo markets. This type of revenue is relatively passive and you only need a small amount of money to get started. Number 5. 3D printing. Running 3D printing services from your home might provide you with a passive income. The industry has seen significant expansion in recent years and more growth is projected in the future. 3D printing software is available online and this concept is approachable to novices. You do not need to be a developer to give it a shot. Sites such as Thingiver's allow you to download ready-to-print models and send them directly to your printer. 3D printing can be a well-paying employment, but the level of passiveness is mostly determined by your specialized choice. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Participating in affiliate marketing networks is an excellent approach to generate a passive income from home. Marketing firms and corporations are constantly on the lookout for people to advertise their products. All you have to do is select a product that you want to promote. It should be something you are truly interested in or passionate about. Check to determine whether they have an affiliate marketing program or if it is endorsed by one such as Amazon Associates. After that, you can market your goods on some of the most prominent websites. You earn money by earning commissions on sales you make. Affiliate marketing is a rather passive way to earn money. Number 3. YouTube. YouTube is quickly becoming a popular tool for many people to make money without leaving their homes. Your YouTube videos can produce passive revenue for you. YouTube pays monetized accounts for advertisements that appear on their pages. You may also earn money through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and e-commerce. YouTube is also used by certain businesses to sell premium videos and other digital products. With great content and a growing audience, you may monetize your channel through advertising, affiliate marketing, selling digital and physical things, endorsements, and other methods. For the time being, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4K hours of viewing time in the last 365 days for your channel to be considered for monetization. It will take time and work to create and manage a monetized account. Earning money on YouTube is extremely passive, but it requires a lot of hard work, dedication, and skill to develop a successful YouTube channel. Number 2. Podcasts. Creating and monetizing podcasts is not as difficult as it appears. Podcasts are getting increasingly popular in today's online society. Ad insertion, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships are all methods to generate money from podcasts. Creating podcasts is a relatively passive way to generate cash because you must offer content on a regular basis to keep your audience engaged. You can, however, earn a passive income from your episodes for many years. When creating a podcast, choosing the proper niche will save you a lot of time and money. And at number 1, ebooks. Creating ebooks is actually rather simple. Many people get bogged down in the details, yet you can publish an ebook fully for free from the comfort of your own home. You can earn money by writing ebooks and selling them to online users. You're free to write about whatever you like. Some people employ a ghostwriter to complete the work for them, making their income more passive. Selling ebooks is a highly passive way to earn money if they are evergreen and appeal to an audience that buys them for you. Platforms such as Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing make it simple to write, submit, and sell your writings. Writing, editing, promoting, and so on may take time and money, but once completed and posted, your work is done and the cash you get is passive. Passive income can be generated through traditional investing or internet jobs. It takes time, effort, skill, and hard work to create the latter, but once set up, you can produce fantastic passive income depending on the idea. And with that being said, it's time to end the video. We hope you enjoyed the video. Consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.